In this video, I'm reviewing the Litter Robot 3 Connect. It is the highest rated Wi-Fi enabled automatic self-cleaning litter box for cats. You never have to scoop your kitty litter again. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month warranty. We also bought the additional 3-year warranty. It ships within 3 to 4 weeks. It's great for multiple cats, 5 pounds and up. It reduces the litter box odor, and you can remotely monitor it through the app. This is what it looks like when it arrives. And now we're going to do an unboxing so you can see what it looks like upon arrival. Here you can see the reference on how tall it is. It is 24¼ inches tall. You can also find all of the specs online before checking out. If you don't have your mobile device on you, you can manually start it with the cycle, empty, and reset buttons here. On the back, there is a serial number that you will need to link with your app. It comes with a really nice welcome kit that has a very easy startup guide. The litter robot will cycle immediately upon connection, so you might want to remove your kitty from the room so it doesn't alarm them. Once we've read through the startup guide, we are now ready for install. We put it in place of the old litter boxes, and it's recommended that you use the old litter in the new litter robot to get them acclimated. Something I think is wonderful about this is that it doesn't use that much litter. There is a fill line inside, and you want to make sure you stay at or under that fill line so that the machine works properly. In order to set up your litter robot, you will need to turn on the litter robot's built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Now it's time to set up the app. There are certain steps that you take to sync it. Very simple and easy to use. During the pairing mode, it will run a cycle to pair up your app. I intentionally left this in real time on this portion so that you could see the speed of the cycle. It's also pretty quiet. However, if you are a light sleeper, you can schedule it to not go off around your sleep schedule. I also want to mention there are stair steps that you can buy to go with this. My cats have done just fine with the built-in step on the drawer. There's also a nice night light that you can turn on, which we keep on for our cats. Once your waste level gauge is full, it will send you a push notification. I have noticed that the top here will get dirty. You'll want to clean it once a week. Also, I just clean it when I'm changing out the drawer at the bottom. What's nice is that you can use an 8-gallon bag, any kind of trash bag, for this. You do not need any kind of special bags. I use the Great Value medium kitchen bags. When this drawer gets full, you will get a notification on your app. When I'm cleaning out the inside, I just use soap and water, and then I will also dry it out really well. Another nice feature is the wait time. On the app, you can set how many minutes after your cat is censored in the litter robot that the cycle will run. We didn't want to scare our cats, so we set it to 15 minutes after they have went into the litter robot for it to run cycle. After a couple of months, we have now come down to the 3-minute mark. Now let's talk about some of my favorite pros. The odor management is great. I do not smell any kitty litter. It is fully connected with the app, which is a great feature. Multiple cats can use it. I have 2. I never have to scoop again. It uses less litter. There's no special accessories. There's a sleep mode option, the automatic light, and the setup was really easy. I only have a few cons, one being that cleaning that top part, it's just not my favorite thing to do. I do have a lightweight cat right at 5 pounds, and sometimes the timer does not sense her, so then I have to manually start it myself. And then also the lead time on this product was pretty long at about 5 weeks. With all of that being said, I do recommend this product. And if you found this review helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.